All right, hey, welcome to my channel. This is DJ. If you've been rocking with me a while, thank you. If it's your first time, please subscribe, please like, please comment. Today we have a 2015 Juke. And we're replacing the rear wiper arm. We went through a car wash, and basically the car wash went ahead and destroyed the blade itself, as you can see. So today we'll be going ahead and fixing this, okay? All right, here we go. So to do this, you're going to need a 12mm socket. See if I could get it to, my bad, there you go. 12mm socket, and you're going to break it apart by moving it to the left. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. So you can see that the failure point is right there where it had cracked. So that's why the blade is all crusty. And we're gonna go ahead and spray and wipe it off with a microfiber cloth. I'm just using a simple solution. It's a multi-purpose spray, but brake clean or anything else like that should get the job done. You just want to try to just get all the dirt and grime off of it a little bit. Nothing too much. It's just windshield wiper blade, and then from there I'm gonna go ahead and take some and just spray my rag. Excuse me. Oops. There we go. Spray the rag, and then I'm gonna go. Just go ahead and get this a nice little clean. So it could just look like that. All right. And then we're gonna be using a new windshield. Auto boot comes with the assembly and the blade. To assemble the blade is real easy. See that notch right there? There's also a notch right there. You just line it up and you should be good to go. I'm gonna try to do this with one hand, just so you can see it. See if I can do this. But once again, you just line it up, turn it on its side, make sure that it's there. Teeth is in this groove. So once you got it in the groove, just like that, you're going to hear a snap. So hold on, let me show you. So you just want to close it, and then you're going to hear a snap just like that to let you know that it is complete. And we're literally just going to take it, line it up to about right there, maybe a little higher, yeah, to about right there. And then we're gonna take the lug nut and just start twisting it until you can't by hand. We're going to take the 12mm and we're gonna start putting it towards the right, just like this. Until it starts to tighten up on you. Then you want to constantly readjust this just to make sure that it's at the right position, which is right there. And just keep going until it gets real tight, and just keep going. And right there, look like it is perfect. keep doing it. And you want to just constantly check the alignment just to make sure that it's good. All right, you want to do it to where your force won't really allow you to do it anymore, okay? Now, for the cap part, they want you to go here first. So there's these two prongs. They want you to go there first, push it down, and then tuck the cap underneath. So we're going to, oh sorry, actually it goes the cap first. So there's a little lip. So the lip goes first, and then these guys go second. So it's going to go like this. And then you push these in just like that. And just to make sure that it's on properly, you give it a little tug, you check underneath, and as long as that you can feel that there's a little lip right here. Sorry, I wish I could give you a better view, but once you see that there's a little lip right there, you're good to go. And then you just want to make sure that you push this down, and then that little hole, that did the trick. And to remove it, if you ever have to, you just pull this up and you pull that way, okay? But that is it. All right, so you just want to make sure that you pull that tab, push it all the way in till you hear a snap. It's going to look like that. It's supposed to be kind of like flush. I don't know if I could tell, but yeah, like basically as flush as possible, which is this is it. And then it works just like your regular windshield. You lift this up, so it's going to look like that. And then you will clean this if you need to. Put this down, close that up, and voila. Once again, thank you for watching. I bought the Auto Boo from Amazon. I'm gonna leave the link in the description. Just pull this up and you pull that way, okay? But that is it for this, and let's go ahead and give it a try. So give it 1 second. All right, let's see if it works. Yeah, it works. All right, let's see it one more time. Perfect. So I just spray some water on it and voila. Look like it's working fine. It's at where it's supposed to be at. Please like, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. And once again, if you've been rocking with me, thank you. If this is your first time, thank you so much. Watching, thank you for commenting. Please like, please subscribe. Have a great day. Peace.